Aging doesn't start with wrinkles, it doesn't start with gray hair, and it definitely doesn't start when you feel old. In reality, aging begins silently, deep inside your body, years before the mirror shows anything at all. Your organs age, your cells slow down, your recovery systems weaken, and your body sends signals when this process accelerates. The problem? Stress, bad sleep, getting older. But what if some of those signs aren't normal at all? What if they're warnings that your body is aging faster than it should? In this video, we're breaking down the hidden biological signals your body uses to communicate accelerated aging. Some show up in your energy levels, some affect your skin, sleep, and memory. Others change how your body heals, adapts, and fights damage. By the end, you'll be able to recognize whether your body is aging at a normal pace or quietly accelerating behind the scenes. Signal no. One occasional fatigue is normal, but persistent exhaustion is not. If you wake up tired after a full night's sleep, if rest no longer restores your energy, that's often one of the earliest signals of accelerated aging. As the body ages, mitochondrial efficiency declines. Mitochondria are the tiny energy factories inside your cells. They convert oxygen and nutrients into usable energy. When they slow down, cells produce less energy. Recovery takes longer. Fatigue becomes chronic. This doesn't happen suddenly. It happens gradually and silently. That's why many people blame work stress lifestyle, when the real issue is biological energy decline. Accelerated aging often shows up as needing caffeine just to function, feeling drained by simple tasks, slower recovery after physical or mental effort. Your body isn't being lazy, it's conserving energy because producing it has become harder. Signal number 2. Remember when minor cuts healed quickly? Muscle soreness disappeared overnight. Illness passed in a day or two. One of the clearest aging signals as the body ages, cell repair systems become less efficient, protein synthesis slows, inflammation lasts longer, tissue regeneration weakens. This means bruises linger, muscle soreness stays, injuries heal more slowly. Accelerated aging exaggerates this effect. If recovery now takes twice as long, more effort, more rest than it used to, your biological repair systems may be aging faster than your calendar age suggests. Signal number 3. Wrinkles are cosmetic, but skin texture tells a deeper story. As aging accelerates, collagen production decreases, elastic fibers weaken, skin hydration drops. This leads to thinner skin, rougher texture, slower healing. If your skin feels fragile, bruises easily takes longer to repair. That's not just surface aging, but it reflects deeper cellular slowdown. Your skin is one of the fastest renewing organs in the body. When it starts struggling, it's often because systemic aging is accelerating. Signal number 4. A strong immune system is one of the first things to decline with age. As aging accelerates, immune cells respond slower. Inflammation increases, recovery from infections weakens. This doesn't always mean you get sick more often. Sometimes it means colds last longer. Infections hit harder, recovery feels incomplete. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often called inflammaging, is a major driver of accelerated aging. Your immune system isn't failing, it's becoming less efficient, and that inefficiency shows up as prolonged illness, slower healing, and lingering fatigue. Signal number 5. Forgetting a name once in a while is normal, but frequent, brain fog. Trouble concentrating, slower recall, can signal accelerated neurological aging. As the brain ages, blood flow efficiency decreases, neural signaling slows, inflammation affects cognitive speed. You might notice difficulty multitasking, slower problem solving, reduced mental stamina. This isn't about intelligence, it's about processing speed. Accelerated aging affects how quickly your brain receives, interprets, and responds to information. Signal number 6. Sleep is when the body repairs itself. But with accelerated aging, deep sleep shortens. REM cycles become fragmented, recovery hormones release less efficiently. This creates a feedback loop. Poor sleep, faster aging, worse sleep. You might experience waking up frequently, lighter sleep, feeling unrested despite long sleep. This isn't just lifestyle. It's often biological rhythm disruption, a sign that internal systems are losing synchronization. Signal number 7. Stress tolerance is a powerful aging marker. As aging accelerates, cortisol regulation weakens, nervous system recovery slows, stress responses linger longer. This means stress feels heavier, emotional recovery takes longer, small problems feel overwhelming. Your body isn't less resilient emotionally, it's biologically slower at returning to baseline after stress. That delay accelerates wear on nearly every system. Signal number 8. Muscle loss doesn't always look dramatic. Often it starts subtly. Strength declines, endurance drops, balance changes. This process, called sarcopenia, accelerates with age. When it starts earlier or progresses faster, metabolism slows, insulin sensitivity drops, physical resilience decreases. Muscle isn't just for movement, it's deeply connected to longevity. Accelerated muscle loss is one of the strongest predictors of faster biological aging. Signal number 9. As aging accelerates, hormonal signaling changes. Insulin sensitivity declines, fat storage becomes more efficient. This often happens even without major diet changes. Fat accumulates not because of willpower, but because the body is prioritizing energy conservation. It's an ancient survival mechanism, but in modern life, it becomes a marker of metabolic aging. Signal number 10. Feeling colder than before or overheating more easily? Temperature regulation depends on circulation metabolic rate. Hormonal balance accelerated aging disrupts all three. Your body becomes slower at generating heat, releasing heat, adapting to environmental changes. This subtle shift is often overlooked, but it's a strong biological signal. Why most people miss these signals? Because none of them feel dramatic. They're gradual. They're subtle. But aging doesn't announce itself loudly. It whispers. Accelerated aging isn't about age. It's about rate. Two people can be the same age chronologically, but biologically, decades apart. What actually accelerates aging? Accelerated aging is influenced by chronic stress, poor sleep, inflammation, sedentary behavior, metabolic imbalance. It's not fate, and it's not permanent. Your body constantly adapts in both directions. Your body is not broken, it's communicating. Fatigue, slow recovery, brain fog, and sleep changes aren't weaknesses. They're signals. Signals that your biology is asking for attention. Knowing these signs doesn't mean fear. It means awareness. And awareness is the first step to slowing the process, instead of letting it speed up unnoticed. If you recognize even one of these signals, you're not alone. Understanding your body isn't about fear, it's about control. Let us know in the comments which signal surprised you the most. And subscribe for more explanations that help you understand what your body is really telling you.